Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Forsyth Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. A long-distance move requires thorough preparation. If you are moving outside your state or at least 50 miles from your present location, we consider it a long-distance move, and we can handle the rigors of such a move. We are well equipped with the right equipment and vehicles to ensure that we deliver your belongings in excellent condition. Our trucks are of the highest quality, specifically designed to handle the rigors of the road. Alongside well-experienced and responsible drivers, these trucks can relocate you to anywhere you wish to go efficiently. We can assure you that there will be no damage to your property, no matter how small it looks. We have also put insurance coverage policies in place to ensure our clients enjoy the trip thoroughly. Moving to a distance less than 50 miles is a local move. We can provide you with the most reliable services you can find in Forsyth, Georgia. We always make sure to eliminate the burden of moving away from you, leaving you to focus on other things necessary to the move. We charge $30 to $40 per hour for our services, the cheapest you can find around Forsyth. However, our services are of the topmost standards. Our service is of the highest quality. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Forsyth moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.